What if I told you some of the best-sounding hi-fi gear wasn't built this year, or even this decade? While modern audio offers wireless streaming and smart features, many vintage components from the 70s and 80s still deliver better sound, superior build quality, and incredible reliability. These legendary pieces weren't just built to last, they were built to perform. In today's video, we're counting down 6 vintage hi-fi classics that continue to outperform many modern alternatives. Make sure you stick around until number 1 because it's one of the greatest audio products ever made. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to True Gadget, and hit the notification bell for more hi-fi content. Now, let's get started. Number 6. Sansui AU-717. Decades after its introduction, the Sansui AU-717 is still one of the best integrated amplifiers ever made, and it still performs better than many more expensive current amplifiers. Constructed during the heyday of Japanese hi-fi, the AU-717 boasts a huge power transformer, a very sturdy chassis, and premium internal parts that were made with longevity rather than cost-cutting in mind. It provides smooth power, outstanding control, and a warm yet incredibly detailed sound quality that makes every genre pleasurable. It delivers about 85 watts per channel. The bass is tight without being overbearing, the instruments have remarkable separation, and the vocals sound deep and organic. The AU-717 is solely focused on analog performance, in contrast to many contemporary low-cost amplifiers that rely on lightweight design and digital processing. Another significant benefit is its exceptional phono stage, which makes it a great option for vinyl lovers without the need for a pricey additional preamp. Properly restored units continue to function at a very high level even after more than 40 years, demonstrating how well they were engineered. The Sansui AU-717 is still one of the best vintage audio investments you can make if you're searching for vintage hi-fi that offers timeless musicality, rock-solid durability, and quality craftsmanship. Number 5. Pioneer SX-1250. Few models of legendary stereo receivers have attained the Pioneer SX-1250's iconic status. This behemoth, which debuted during the receiver wars of the late 1970s, maintains exceptional clarity and melodic balance while delivering an incredible 160 watts per channel. From its enormous heat sinks and weighty transformer to its exquisite brushed aluminum faceplate and genuine wood cabinet, everything about the SX-1250 seems enormous. However, this receiver is more than just attractive. It creates a massive, seamless soundstage with smooth mid-range, crystal-clear highs, and deep, controlled bass that gives music a captivating, nearly live performance vibe. Whether you're driving ancient speakers or newer floor-standing versions, the SX-1250 rarely suffers. The exceptional endurance of this receiver is another reason collectors are still pursuing it. After decades of use and very minor maintenance, many original devices are still completely operational. While connection and surround sound technologies are frequently given priority in modern receivers, the SX-1250 reminds listeners that outstanding stereo performance is always in style. Few receivers can rival the unparalleled build quality and classic style of this vintage legend if your objective is pure 2-channel listening. Number 4. Yamaha NS-1000M. The introduction of beryllium dome drivers by the Yamaha NS-1000M revolutionized the speaker market. Even many high-end speakers today do not employ this technology due to its high cost and production challenges. One straightforward factor made these studio monitor speakers well known: their exceptional accuracy. The NS-1000M reproduces recordings with amazing accuracy, allowing listeners to hear every last element exactly as it was captured, rather than coloring the sound. Even at greater listening volumes, complicated recordings stay clear, acoustic instruments feel remarkably authentic, and vocals sound realistic. The cabinets are sturdy, well-braced, and designed to endure for many generations. While modern speakers sometimes seek for exaggerated bass or artificially amplified treble, the NS-1000M focuses on balance and honesty. That's one reason recording studios trusted them for vital monitoring, and audiophiles continue seeking for well-preserved pairs today. You'll soon see why these speakers continue to perform better than many pricey contemporary bookshelf speakers when you pair them with a high-quality amplifier. Few designs provide the same level of engineering perfection, speed, and clarity even after decades. The Yamaha NS-1000M demonstrates that excellent speaker design is timeless. Number 3. McIntosh MC275. The McIntosh MC275 is one of the few amplifiers with a legendary reputation. This tube amplifier, which was first released in the early 1960s and is highly regarded today, has established itself as a standard for long-term dependability, musicality, and craftsmanship. The MC275 offers an emotive listening experience that is hard to put into words until you hear it firsthand. In contrast to many contemporary amplifiers that only focus on measurements. Rich harmonics, exquisitely textured vocals, and a large soundstage that engrosses audiences in every performance are all produced by its tube-based construction. Without compromising on detail, instruments have a natural, lively, and amazingly lifelike feel. This amplifier's exceptional output transformers, which have become one of McIntosh's defining technology, are one of the reasons it continues to outperform many contemporary competitors. With stainless steel construction, high-end parts, and classic style that still looks gorgeous decades later, the build quality is equally amazing. Because of the satisfying sound that tube amplifiers generate, many owners believe that the experience is well worth the occasional maintenance. The MC275 produces a cozy and engrossing presentation that entices listeners to return for more, whether they are listening to jazz, classical, blues, or vintage rock. One of the few antique amplifiers that has genuinely gained legendary status is this one. Number 2. Klipsch Cornwall. For over 50 years, audiophiles have favored the Klipsch Cornwall, and it makes sense. Many contemporary speakers find it difficult to match the room-filling sound produced by these massive horn-loaded speakers, which combine remarkable efficiency with seamless dynamics. Their ability to produce amazing volume with surprisingly little amplifier power is one of their biggest advantages, which makes them ideal partners for both solid-state and vintage tube amplifiers. The Cornwall's lively treble, open, realistic vocals, and deep, commanding bass give recordings vitality without coming across as harsh. Whether you're listening to vintage rock albums, symphony recordings, or acoustic performances, music always feels lively, authentic, and emotionally compelling. Although their spacious cabinets might not fit in every living room, their big size adds to the smooth and rich sound they are renowned for. Because the original design was so fantastic, Klipsch is still making improved models even after decades. Vintage Cornwall models continue to be preferred by countless admirers due to their distinctive personality and traditional craftsmanship. The Klipsch Cornwall is still one of the best vintage hi-fi investments if you want speakers that make music seem thrilling every time you hit play. Number 1. Technics SL-1200MK2. Topping our list is the legendary Technics SL-1200MK2, a turntable that has earned worldwide respect for its unmatched reliability, precision, and timeless engineering. While many people associate it with DJs, audiophiles know the SL-1200MK2 is also one of the finest direct-drive turntables ever created. Its quartz-locked motor provides exceptionally accurate speed stability, virtually eliminating unwanted pitch fluctuations that can affect musical performance. The heavy platter, solid construction, and excellent tone arm create a remarkably quiet platform for vinyl playback, allowing records to reveal impressive levels of detail and realism. Unlike many modern turntables built with lightweight materials and simplified designs, the SL-1200MK2 was engineered to survive decades of constant use without compromising performance. Many original units continue operating flawlessly after 40 years, which says everything about their build quality. Another major advantage is the enormous aftermarket support, making upgrades and replacement parts easy to find even today. Whether you're just starting a vinyl collection or you're an experienced audiophile, This turntable consistently delivers premium performance that rivals far more expensive modern competitors. It's one of those rare products that perfectly combines durability, engineering excellence, and exceptional sound quality, making it a true icon in the history of hi-fi audio. That wraps up our list of vintage hi-fi gear that still beats a lot of modern equipment. While today's audio products offer convenience and smart features, these legendary classics prove that outstanding engineering and incredible sound never go out of style. If you've owned any of these components or have another vintage favorite that deserves a spot on this list, let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to True Gadget, and we'll see you in the next one.